So hello friends, today we going to learn about the role of science and technology in our daily lives. Okay, in our daily life. So in this, our first chapter is the health technology, disease, and various immunization program. So which are the we're going to take our first question. Which are the following country launched the first मलेरिया वैक्सीन इन 2025? कौन सा कंट्री है जो पहली बार लॉन्च किया है मलेरिया वैक्सीन 2025 में? तो घाना ने लॉन्च किया. घाना बिकम द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू लॉन्च RTS.S/A/S01 malaria vaccine. In the large scale, the vaccine is aimed to reduce the impact of malaria, particularly in African countries where disease is the most prevalent. जहाँ पे disease जो है most prevalent है. So which country recently launched the new national health insurance program to provide free healthcare services to all citizens in 2024? So India ने launch किया है. India has been launched under the Ayushman Bharat digital mission, which aims to expand the healthcare coverage and accesses across the country. Which infection disease recently saw the resurgence due to the decrease in the vaccination rate globally in 2024? So measles जो है वो globally rise water due to the disrupted vaccine program in 2024 as a result of COVID-19 impact on our immunization campaign. So which of the following country launched a universal flu vaccine program in 2024? So यूनाइटेड किंगडम ने लॉन्च किया नेशनल वाइड प्रोग्राम टू वैक्सीनेट ऑल सिटीजन एनुअली अगेंस्ट द सीजनल फ्लू इन 2024 टू प्रिवेंट द स्ट्रेन ऑन द हेल्थ system. Which disease did the World Health Organization WHO declared the public health emergency in 2024 due to its rapid spread? सो इसका आंसर होगा मंकी पॉक्स. WHO ने डिक्लेयर किया था मंकी पॉक्स एज ए पब्लिक हेल्थ इमरजेंसी ड्यू टू as a virus spread rapidly across the several countries causing significant concern. Which of the following disease जो है has been targeted for the eradication by 2030 तक इसको eradicate खत्म कर देना है according to the WHO's strategic plan update in 2024. So इसका नाम है मलेरिया जो WHO ने अपडेट किया 2024 a strategy aims to eradicate malaria in 2030, the new vaccines and the eradication program. What is the main goal of zero hunger? Zero hunger का main goal क्या है? To initiate initiatives launched by the UN in 2024. तो इसका आंसर है C. To ensure food security and improve nutrition. The zero hunger is an initiative launched by the United Nations focus on ending hunger, achieving food security and improving nutrition and promoting sustainable agriculture by 2030. छोटा कर देता हूँ. In 2024, which country is introduced the new immunization law? कौन सा कंट्री ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया टू इंश्योर 100% वैक्सीनेशन ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन? सो फ्रांस ने लॉन्च किया है. So France जो है passed a new law in 2024 that mandate the full vaccination for all children before they can attend the public school, aims to boosting the immunization rate. Which country government announce किया है nationwide HPV vaccination campaign in 2024 to prevent the cervical cancer? सर्वाइकल कैंसर. तो इसका आंसर होगा इंडिया जो है लॉन्च किया नेशन वाइड कैंपेन इन 2024 टू वैक्सीनेट यंग गर्ल्स अगेंस्ट द ह्यूमन पैपिलोमा वायरस HPV का फुल फॉर्म होता है ह्यूमन पैपिलोमा वायरस टू रिड्यूस द सर्वाइकल कैंसर इंसिडेंट. what was the primary focus of India's intensified mission Indradhanush launched in 2024? So it achieves a 90% immunization coverage in underserved areas. Intensified mission Indradhanush IMI जो है लॉन्च हुआ था टू वैक्सीनेट ऑल चिल्ड्रन स्पेशली टू अंडरसर्व्ड एरिया टू इंक्रीज द इम्यूनाइजेशन कवरेज in 90% most vulnerable region. Next question is in normal ECG waveform which wave has the maximum amplitude? कौन सा वेव का maximum amplitude होगा? So इसका आंसर है B, R wave. So ECG waveform consists of P, Q, R, S, T and U waves. R wave has the highest amplitude in all of these. So as you can see, R wave has the highest amplitude and S wave has the lowest amplitude. I think nahi, Q wave has the lowest amplitude. So what is a significant achievement? Did the Plus Polio campaign in India contribute in 2024? So it's India being declared the polio free. The Pulse Polio campaign has been a key factor in India being declared the polio free by World Health Organization WHO with no case of polio registered in the recent year due to the extensive immunization effort. Which mobile health technology application is used to manage and track immunization schedule and vaccination record in India? So इसका आंसर कोविन जो है, कोविन का फुल फॉर्म है कोविड वैक्सीनेशन इंटेलिजेंस नेटवर्क. इट इज़ एन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म यूज्ड इन इंडिया टू मैनेज COVID-19 वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस. इट ट्रैक्स द वैक्सीनेशन रिकॉर्ड, शेड्यूल्स and generate the certificates for individual. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the effective and organized vaccination rollout during the COVID-19 pandemic. So in 2025, which country became the first to introduce the AI-based diagnostic system for detecting strokes in emergency setting? So इसका आंसर है बी, यूनाइटेड किंगडम जो है इंट्रोड्यूस किया है AI based diagnostic system in 2025 to detect strokes in emergency medical setting. This system uses ये system जो है यूज करता है AI का algorithm to analyze brain scan and identify signs of stroke, enabling faster diagnosis and treatment, which is crucial for improving outcome. So the introduction of which technology is revolutionizing the way vaccinations are administered in remote and rural areas. So इसका drone delivery system. The drone delivery system is being used to deliver the vaccination in remote or hard to reach area where conventional transportation is challenged. Drones are being deployed to transport vaccines including COVID-19 vaccine, ensuring that they are delivered efficiently and quickly in the area with limited infrastructure. So AI technology is being used to assist early detection of Alzheimer's disease by analyzing brain scan. So इसका आंसर machine learning algorithm is increasingly used to assist the early detection Alzheimer's disease by analyzing brain scan and other medical data. These algorithms can identify pattern to predict the onset of Alzheimer's even before the symptom appears. मतलब symptom appear होने के पहले ही ये बता देगा. Which of the following is the targeted by measles rubella MR vaccination program in India? तो इसका आंसर है सी, measles and rubella. The measles rubella vaccination program is introduced to eliminate measles and rubella, which is a highly contagious disease that can lead to severe complication, especially in children. ये बच्चों को होता है ज़्यादातर. So इसके लिए कैंपेन चलाया गया था. तो which of the following health technologies is being used to track monitor tuberculosis TB outbreak using mobile phones? So इसका आंसर होगा M Health. Mobile health applications. M Health application are used to track and monitor BT outbreak. These apps allow healthcare workers to follow up patient and track medications adherence and gather real-time data on TB cases, improving response time and control effort. So इसमें हम लोग को मिलाना है. So विटामिन सी के वजह से, सी की डिफिशिएंसी से मुझे लगता है विटामिन सी की वजह से स्कर्वी होता है. फॉलिक एसिड एनीमिया, विटामिन ए की कमी से नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, विटामिन B1 की वजह से वेरी वेरी। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कैल्सीफेरोल के लिए रिकेट्स की डिफिशियंसी से, कैल्सीफेरोल की डिफिशियंसी से रिकेट्स होता है। थाइमिन जैसे B1 को बेरी, ये काइनोबेलम B12 बेलम से पेंसिल अमीनिया होता है, खून की कमी से अनीमिया होता है। एब्जॉर्बिक एसिड से स्कर्वी होता है। मिल्क मिल्क चीज and eggs are the source of which of the following vitamins? So vitamin A and D, are the source. Milk, cheese and eggs are the source for vitamin A and D. Out of the given option, milk, eggs and cheese are the source for vitamin A and D. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol and its deficiency cause इसके खून की कमी, इसके कमी से night blindness होगा. And some source of vitamin A is carrot, spinach, papaya, curd and soybean. The chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. Its deficiency cause rickets. Some sources of vitamin D are mushroom, fish, oatmeal and butter. Which of the following vitamins are the fat soluble? Fat soluble कौन सा विटामिन होगा? तो विटामिन A and D are the fat soluble. And the vitamins are essential nutrients that enables your body to properly work to stay healthy. Some vitamins are fat soluble and some vitamins are water soluble. So vitamin A, D, E and K falls under the category of fat soluble, while B and C vitamin falls under the water soluble category. So A and D are correct answer, that because they are fat soluble. So which of the following vitamins the carotenoids act precursor to? So vitamin K is a carotenoids. Carotenoids vitamin are the pro-vitamin A and plant pigment. They are converted into vitamin A in the intestine. Therefore, carotenoids acts as a precursors to vitamin A. The main carotenoids in the human diet are the beta carotene, alpha carotene and beta carotoxamine. भाई जो भी है देख लेना यार. The best source of vitamin A is carrot. The vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin and is essential nutrients for human. It helps our body. It helps our body natural defense against illness and infections to work properly. Helping blind in dim light. And good source of vitamin A is carrot, egg, cheese, oily fish, milk and yogurt. So which of the following pair of vitamin act as a antioxidant? तो antioxidant vitamin C and E है. So antioxidants are the compound that inhibit the oxidation chemical reaction that produce the free radicals. Vitamin C plays a vital role in regeneration. Vitamin E, after it acts as an antioxidant, allow it to be recycled and used again. After vitamin E donates the electrons to neutralize the free radicals, it can also be regenerated by an electron from vitamin C. What is the role of antioxidant in human system? तो antioxidant का क्या रोल है विटामिन ह्यूमन में? So the promote vitamin synthesis. They prevent excessive oxidation of carbohydrates, protein, fats. They protect cell against the effect of free radicals. They activate a certain gene which delays the aging process. So I think its answers would be C, cell. They protect cell against the effect of free radicals, or B. Let me check. So its answer should be C. Then they protect cell against the effect of free radical. So next question. So antioxidants क्या ये scavenge free radicals from the cell from the body cell, prevent or reduce the damage caused by the oxidation. A diet high in antioxidant may reduce the risk or of many diseases, including the heart disease and certain cancer. The three major antioxidants vitamins are beta carotene, calcium, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Antioxidants are found in green vegetables and turmeric. ओके, तो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स और टर्मरिक में, हल्दी में पाया जाता है. विच आर द फॉलोइंग केमिकल नोन इज नोन एज विटामिन सी. सो विटामिन सी के लिए हम लोग एब्सॉर्बिक एसिड बोलते हैं. वाटर सॉल्युबल होता है. विटामिन एब्सॉर्बिक एसिड इज अ केमिकल नेम फॉर विटामिन सी एंड विटामिन सी एक्ट एज ए एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. विच आर द फॉलोइंग इज द रिचेस्ट सोर्स फॉर विटामिन सी. किस में विटामिन सी सबसे ज़्यादा होगा? तो आंवला में सबसे ज़्यादा. आंवला इज द रिचेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी अमंगस्ट द गिवन ऑप्शन. द आंवला, आंवला का यार ये देख लो ना क्या नाम लिखा है, एम्बलिका ऑफ्स जो भी है. which is one of the very good source of नूरा, अरे कैसा नाम रखा है यार, functional component. The amla is the second richest source of vitamin C, for approximately 7 to 800 milligram per fruit, after kakadu plum, जिसमें होता है 2907 मिलीग्राम पर 100 ग्राम. Vitamin C is known as absorbic acid present in citrus fruit like lemons, orange, and green vegetables. So, which of the following vitamin is formed in skin in presence of sunlight? So, sunlight के presence में कौन सा विटामिन फॉर्म होता है? तो विटामिन डी जो फॉर्म होता है. Which of the formed in the skin in the presence of sunlight? Vitamin A is obtained from the leafy vegetable carrot fish, while vitamin E is found in the plant-based oil, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetable. Human being get vitamin K from leafy vegetable and egg. Vitamin K जो है वो leafy vegetable and egg से मिलता है. Intestinal bacteria synthesize which vitamin इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी में कौन सा इंटेस्टाइनल बैक्टीरिया सिंथेसाइज कौन सा विटामिन सिंथेसाइज करता है ह्यूमन बॉडी में? सो विटामिन के जो है वो सिंथेसाइज होता है. विटामिन के इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज मेनली सिंथेसाइज बाय इंटेस्टाइनल बैक्टीरिया जो पेट के अंदर होता है. विटामिन ए, डी, ई एंड के आर द फैट सॉल्युबल एंड द रेस्ट आर द वाटर सॉल्युबल. सो विटामिन B12 इज फाउंड इन द ग्रीन वेजिटेबल. असर्शन है, उसका रीज़न है विटामिन 12 इज फाउंड इन फूड ऑफ एनिमल ऑरिजिन. सो इसका आंसर है डी. ए जो है फॉल्स है एंड आर जो है वो ट्रू है. मतलब ए जो है विटामिन B12 जो है फाउंड इन द ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल, ये आपका रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट है. एंड विटामिन फाउंड इन द फूड ऑफ एनिमल ऑरिजिन, तो ये सही है. ये वाला सही है, ये वाला गलत है. So, assertion is false because vitamin B12 is not found in the leafy vegetables, is primarily found in the animal-based food. So, water soluble vitamin क्या है? विटामिन सी जो है वो वाटर सॉल्युबल है. फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन है ए, डी, ई एंड के. कीड़ा बोलते हैं इसको, कीड़ा याद करने के लिए. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए? विटामिन ई का इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स क्या है? विटामिन ई का है व्हीट ग्राम ऑयल. द विटामिन ई इज द एक्सलेंट सोर्स ऑफ व्हीट ग्राम ऑयल. इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पावरफुल एंटीऑक्सीडेंट दैट प्रोटेक्ट सेल फ्रॉम oxidative stress in the body. It act as a antioxidant helping to protect cell from the damage caused by the free radicals. Vitamin E is the common nutrient found in the most food. A few food including cooking oil, wheat gram oil, hazelnut oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, Spanish groundnut seed and nuts are exceptionally rich source. Which of the following vitamin is the considered to be the hormone? कौन सा विटामिन जो है कंसिडर एज ए हार्मोन होता है? तो विटामिन डी जो है वो कंसिडर्ड होता है हार्मोन rather than विटामिन. इट रिक्वायर्स एब्जॉर्ब कैल्शियम calcium from the gut into the bloodstream. Vitamin D is referred as a calciferol. Is a fat soluble vitamin. It is naturally present in the food. In few food, it also known as sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is produced by the body in response to the skin being exposed to the sunlight. It also found in butter, liver, kidney, egg yolk, liver oil. This vitamin has many functions, including keeping bones strong, absorbing calcium, working with parathyroid gland, maintaining and development of teeth. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Ricket is a disease in which bones tissue does not properly mineralize, leading to the softening bone जो है soft हो जाता है and skeleton जो है वो deformed हो जाता है. So which vitamin found in papaya? papaya में कौन सा विटामिन होता है? तो papaya में होता है आपका papaya में विटामिन सी होता है. So vitamin C is found in papaya. Is a rich in rich amount of papaya is also a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin B1 and B2. Papaya is also a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin B1 and vitamin B2. The lack of vitamin C causes scurvy, and the chemical name of scurvy is absorbic acid. Which of the following vitamin is not stored in the body? कौन सा विटामिन है जो स्टोर नहीं होता बॉडी में? सो विटामिन सी जो है वो स्टोर नहीं होता. विटामिन बी एंड सी वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन आर नॉट स्टोर्ड इन द बॉडी. दीज आर वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन डिजॉल्व इन वाटर एंड आर नॉट स्टोर्ड इन द बॉडी सिंस दे आर eliminated in urine. We required continuous daily supply in our diet. The water soluble vitamins include vitamin B complex group and vitamin C. So vitamin B और C जो है water soluble है, ये हमारे यूरिन के साथ मिलकर बाहर चला जाता है. So हमें continuous intake लेना होगा vitamin B and C का. Which of the following group of compound are accessory diet factor? So vitamins are the organic compound. They are vital nutrients that organism required in limited amount. So vitamins are obtained from the diet since the organism cannot make them. organism जो है हम लोग जो है vitamins नहीं बना सकते हैं. So हमें इनका intake जो है बाहर से लेना होगा. We can't make enough of them for the survival. Okay, vitamin C facilitates in absorption of which element? So vitamin C is the potent antioxidant which can promote skin health and strengthen immune system. Additionally, vitamin C is a key for maintaining metabolism and supporting nervous system. Iron is the critical for moving oxygen around the body. So iron is mainly promote cardiovascular health. Iron plays a important role in body's metabolism. Vitamin C assists formation of RBC by regulating iron metabolism. So most evident source of vitamin C क्या है? vitamin C आपका होगा और ऑरेंज में. So थायमीन जो है, थायमीन का आपका होगा विटामिन B1 को थायमीन बोलते हैं. सो ये आप पढ़ लीजिएगा. विटामिन B1 को थायमीन बोलते हैं. इससे इसकी डिफिशियंसी से वेरी होता है. विटामिन B2 से राइबोफ्लाविन, इसकी डिफिशियंसी से स्किन और इंटेस्टाइनल डिसफंक्शन करने लगता है. विटामिन C से पायरिडॉक्सिन, ये नर्व डिसऑर्डर को कॉज करता है. ये विटामिन B12 काइनोबेलम इसका एनीमिया कॉज करता है ये. और विटामिन C के एब्सॉर्बिक एसिड स्कर्वी. Which of the following vitamins जो है used in antidote to anticoagulant poison? So vitamin K जो है, vitamin K is pilequinone. Pilequinone is used as an antidote to anticoagulant poison. They are used as anticoagulant medications in the prevention of thrombosis thrombosis. That's why vitamin K is known as anti-cognitive vitamins. So the common name of chemical compound calciferol is vitamin D को बोलते हैं calciferol. Which are the following which vitamin does the blood clot accumulation in the human body occurs? So vitamin K. So which of the following virus is assessed in the response of the highly infectious disease of smallpox? So varilla virus. Smallpox is an infectious disease caused by varilla virus. So nucleic acid present in coronavirus is ribonucleic acid. Coronavirus is a virus belonging to the family of coronavirus is enveloped virus that measures the approximately 120 mm of in diameter. The club shaped glycoprotein spike in the envelope gives the virus a crown like a coronal appearance. The nucleoplastids made up of protein cell known as caspids and containing the viral nucleic acid in helical or tubular. The coronavirus genome consists of a single strand and of positive sense RNA ribonucleic acid. Which of the following affected by Ranikhet disease? Which of the following is affected by Ranikhet disease? So A. Fowl is affected by Ranikhet disease. It is originated by the kind of virus first time found in the Ranikhet, Uttarakhand in 1927. डॉयल ने डिस्कवर्ड किया था ये डिजीज को. इट इज फाउंड मेनली इन बर्ड में ही होता है. सो हेपेटाइटिस जो है एक वायरल डिजीज है. हेपेटाइटिस जो है वायरल डिजीज है. इट रेफर्स टू एन इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ लीवर को ये टारगेट करता है. इट मेनली अफेक्ट्स द लीवर टिश्यू. हेपेटाइटिस इज ऑल्सो कॉमनली काउज्ड बाय वायरस नेमली हेपेटाइटिस ए, हेपेटाइटिस बी, हेपेटाइटिस सी एंड हेपेटाइटिस डी एंड ई. Which are the following disease caused by H1N1 virus? So swine flu is the main cause is caused by H1N1 virus. So swine flu is a disease caused by H1N1 virus. Dengue caused by dengue virus. AIDS is caused by HIV, and blood flu is H5N1. Eradication of smallpox in the world was declared in 1980. स्मॉल पॉक्स का इरेडिकेशन जब ये ख़त्म हो गया था 1980 में ये ख़त्म हो चुका था वर्ल्ड से. विच आर द फॉलोइंग कांट बी डायग्नोसिस्ड बाय एन एंटीजन. कौन सा बीमारी हम लोग एंटीजन से फाइंड नहीं कर सकते हैं? तो मिसलेस का हम लोग नहीं फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इट कांट बी डायग्नोसिस बाय एंटीजन. इट इज़ नॉट क्योर्ड बाय द एंटीबायोटिक वाइल रेस्ट ऑफ द डिजीज अमंग द अबव ऑप्शन TB, tetanus and cholera are the bacteria-borne diseases that can be cured by various antibiotics. So which of the following is effective in India? So HIV-1C is the effective in India. So AIDS is an infectious disease caused by the virus. Its virus name is human immunodeficiency virus. Immunodeficiency virus. And this virus infect immune the system of the body which protect from diseases. This virus destroy the body of natural defense system. The large number of cases of AIDS disease in India is due to HIV-1C virus infection. At the same time, HIV-1V outbreak is highest in the world. So 1 जो है वो वर्ल्ड में हाईएस्ट है और HIV-C जो है वो इंडिया में हाईएस्ट है. नाइफा वायरस जो है गेट्स द नेम फ्रॉम द विलेज ऑफ मलेशिया. नाइफा वायरस वॉज फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाइड बाय Kampung Nipah in Malaysia in 1998. At the time, it was primarily caused by pig, and throughout them got transferred to human. Pig से human को हुआ था Nipah virus. Which of the following virus infection during the pregnancy is caused can cause infant born with microcephaly? So Zika virus, जो microcephaly is a condition in the head is significantly smaller than the expected. जितना expected उससे कम होगा head का size, often due to the abnormal brain development caused by this virus, including inflation, malnutrition, and exposure to toxins. Out of one out of every 200 babies born in India dies diarrhea caused by rotavirus. Which of the following disease can be transmitted from one person to another through the tattooing? तो सो टैटूइंग से टैटू करने से टैटू बनाने से 1 and 3 2 and 3 हेपेटाइटिस बी एंड HIV एड्स जो है वायरल डिजीज ये हम लोग को हो सकता है. So hepatitis B and AIDS जो है disease are transmitted from one person to other person through sexual contact, या transfusion of contaminated blood or blood product, or sharing infected needles, as in case of intravenous drug. ठीक है. H5N1 virus caused the pandemic influenza is called as bird flu. Which disease is the least contagious? So jaundice is the least contagious. So which organ in the human body is affected by अल्जाइमर डिजीज? कौन सा? सो ब्रेन जो है, अल्जाइमर भूलने की बीमारी को अल्जाइमर बोलते हैं. सो सेलेब्रा पैल्सी जो है इज द ब्रेन डिसऑर्डर फाउंड जनरली इन स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन में ये होता है. So it is found generally in small children. Cerebral palsy refers to a group of neurological disorder that appears in infancy or early childhood, or and permanently affect body movement, muscles coordination. The cerebral palsy (CP) is caused by the damage of abnormality inside the developing brain that disrupt the brain ability to control movement, maintain posture, and balance. If the eye lens become opaque, then the eye disease is called. So इसको बोलते हैं कैटरैक्ट. सो कैटरैक्ट में क्या होता है, वो सफ़ेद वाइट पैच आ जाता है. सो इट बिकम opaque, then this eye is called cataract. The cataract is the clouding of the lens of the eye, which leads to a decrease in vision. Cataract often develops slowly and can affect one or both the eye. Cataract causes a part of the lens to become opaque or cloudy. So सर्जरी से हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं नॉइडेज में. So swelling of the membrane on the brain and the spinal cord is a disease named as, ये क्या है, meningitis. So the virus responsible for AIDS is an example of retrovirus. So which of the following pairs are caused by the virus is polio and bird flu. So polio and bird flu are the pair of a disease caused by the virus. Poliensis are the poliensis virus caused by polio. These viruses are transient inhabitant. Sorry, नहीं पढ़ पा रहा हूँ मैं. Which of the following disease is not transmitted by tiger mosquito? So tiger mosquito, Japanese influenza. Japanese influenza is the disease which is not transmitted by the tiger mosquito. Japanese influenza is the virus-borne disease. The Asian tiger mosquito is a vector carrier of dengue fever, and the potential carrier is yellow fever, emphysizes and heartworm pets. H1N1 virus is referred to in news in the reference of which of the following disease? H1N1 is due to the swine flu. सो विच आर द फॉलोइंग इज काउज फॉलोइंग काउज स्वाइन फ्लू। तो स्वाइन फ्लू जो है आपका वायरस से होता है। लीवर डिजीज हेपेटाइटिस बी इज caused by DNA virus. So Salk vaccine is associated with which of the following disease? साल्क वायरस किस बीमारी से एसोसिएट करता है? तो पोलियो से सॉरी। सार्क वायरस जो है हम यूज करते हैं फॉर द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ पोलियो और पोलियोथेसिस। इट इज़ अ डिसेबलिंग और लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग डिजीज है ये, काउज्ड बाय द पोलियो वायरस। ये स्प्रेड होता है 1% टू अनदर एंड कैन अफेक्ट पर्सन स्पाइनल कॉर्ड एंड कॉजिंग पैरालिसिस। तो इसमें पैरालिसिस होता है। जापानीज इनकैपेंसिस इज काउज्ड बाय वायरस। ये जो है ब्रेन में काउज करता है, ठीक है। वाइल मोस्ट ऑफ द इन्फेक्शियस रिजल्ट इन द लिटिल और नो सिम्टम, ओकेजनली इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ ब्रेन ऑकर्स इन दीज के सिम्टम्स लाइक हेडेक, वॉमिटिंग, फीवर और कंफ्यूजन एंड ये जो भी है ये होता है। प्यूनोमिया जो है न्यूमोनिया इज इन्फेक्टेड बाय न्यूमोनिया इज इन्फेक्शन ऑफ। न्यूमोनिया किसके वजह से होता है? तो लंग्स के वजह से होता है। लंग्स के कारण, लंग्स में होता है, सॉरी, लंग्स को इन्फेक्ट करता है न्यूमोनिया इज द इन्फेक्शन ऑफ वन और द बोथ लंग्स काउज्ड बाय द बैक्टीरिया, वायरस और फंगी। इट इज द सीरियस इन्फेक्शन इन विच एयर सैक्स फिल्ड अप द पस एंड अदर लिक्विड। लोबर pneumonia affects one or more section of lobes of the lung. Which of the following disease is not caused by virus? कौन सा डिजीज जो है नहीं काउज होता है वायरस की वजह से? सो इन्फ्लुएंजा, डेंगू, सो एंथ्रैक्स इज अ सीरियस इन्फेक्शन डिजीज काउज्ड बाय द बैक्टीरिया नोन एज बैकुलस एंड जो भी है यार ये is naturally in soil and commonly affects the domestic and wild animal around the world. Anthrax can cause क्या नहीं पढ़ पा रहा। Which of the following disease is caused by फंगी से कौन सा डिजीज होता है? तो फंगी से होता है बाल्डनेस, गंजापन। बाल्डनेस इज caused by fungi, ringworm of scalp or ringworm cell, fungal infection of the scalp and hair staff. Species of Plasmodium is caused by malignant malaria. So इसका आंसर होगा falciparum. So malignant malaria is caused by the Plasmodium falciparum malaria parasite. Influenza is a disease caused by I see worm से होता है। lymphatic filariasis is a painful and profound disfiguring disease. It caused by the infection of parasites classified as roundworm and family of the family of Filariidae, जो भी है यार that are transmitted through the bite of infected mosquito. So mosquito से होता है। Parasite which initiate production of the antibodies within the human body is a pathogenic parasite. Pathogenic parasite initiate the production of the antibodies in human body. Production of antibodies in the human body is a specific immune response to the parasite. Antibodies are produced by the specialized white blood cell. malignant malaria जो है is caused by D Plasmodium falciparum. ये जो है is also called cerebral malaria. Which of the following is not mosquito borne disease? कौन सा इसमें mosquito borne disease नहीं है? तो sleeping sickness जो है आपका जो है वो नहीं है। मैच द फॉलोइंग। सो विटामिन ए की कमी से नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस होता है, विटामिन B1 की कमी से बैरी, विटामिन डी की कमी से रैकेट्स, विटामिन सी की स्कर्वी। सो आयोडीन की कमी से आयरन की कमी से अनीमिया होता है, आयोडीन की कमी से मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी इन जनरल, विटामिन सी, ये कैल्शियम की कमी से टूथ डिके हो जाता है, दांत कमजोर हो जाता है। विटामिन B1 की कमी से वीक मसल्स होता है। राइबोफिलम जो है deficiency caused which of the following disease? So celluliosis हो जाता है। राइबोफिलम deficiency caused occurring the deficiency of vitamin of B2 vitamin. It leads to symptoms such as people have painful cracks in the corner of the mouth and on the lips, scalpy patches on the head, and magenta mouth and tongue. So iodine deficiency lead to goitre. आयोडीन के डिफिशियंसी से हमें गोइट्री होता है। बॉडी नीड आयोडीन टू प्रोड्यूस थायराइड हार्मोन। इफ नॉट इनफ आयोडीन इन डाइट, अगर डाइट में नहीं है तो थायराइड गेट इनलार्ज टू ट्राई टू कैप्चर ऑल द आयोडीन। इफ इट कैन ऑल्सो इट मेक द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ टू मेक मतलब थायराइड हार्मोन। Sickle cell anemia is a disease of B, red blood cell. Sickle cell anemia जो है is one of the group of inherited disorder in which red blood cell converted into sickle shape and break down. It affects the shape of a red blood cell which carry oxygen to all parts of the body. Defense Research Development Organization DRDO has been developing the drug named leukosin. It has been used for the treatment of leukoderma. Depigmentation of the skin which marked by the localization or the complete destruction of melanocytes in the body. Leukoderma is also called a vitiligo. Vitiligo is the autoimmune disorder wherein the immune system of the body attacks the healthy cell and in turn starting affecting the body. Beta blocker is a medicine for the prevention of beta blocker। जो मेडिसिन है वो किसके लिए यूज करते हैं हम लोग, तो हार्ट अटैक के लिए यूज करते हैं बीटा ब्लॉकर। सो ट्रिपल एंटीजन वैक्सीन जो है इस प्रिस्क्राइब टू न्यू बॉर्न टू इंड्यूस विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिजीज। सो whooping cough, tetanus and डायफेर जो भी है ये इसके लिए करते हैं। It is BCG is used to induce tuberculosis. Electrocardiogram EEG is used to monitor, ये किसके लिए मॉनिटर करता है, ये मॉनिटर करता है ब्रेन के लिए। Used to monitor brain. Electrocardiogram ECG records the electrical signal in heart. It is common and painless test. It quickly detect a heart problem and monitor heart's health. Liver function test are blood test. Liver function tests are the blood test to measure the different enzyme, proteins and other substances made by the liver. Which of the following is primarily use of smartwatches in healthcare? So स्मार्ट का क्या रोल है, प्राइमरीली क्या रोल है, तो टू मॉनिटर हार्ट रेट एंड फिजिकल एक्टिविटी। स्मार्ट वॉचेज आर कॉमनली यूज टू ट्रैक फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज, मॉनिटर हार्ट रेट and even detect the irregularities such as and providing the real-time health data to users and health providers. How do the fitness tracker improve the health monitoring? Fitness tracker कैसे improve हो रहा है? So by providing the feedback on sleep, activity and heart rate. So what is the primary role of telemedicine in daily healthcare? So primary role क्या है, तो primary role है to allow patient to receive remote consultation and prescription. Which of the following technology जो है used for the monitoring glucose level? इन डायबिटिक पेशेंट में ग्लूकोज लेवल जो यूज करते हैं उसका क्या रोल है? तो कंटिन्यूस ग्लूकोज मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम इन CGM जो है एक यूज करता है सेंसर को इंसर्टेड इन द स्किन टू कंटिन्यूसली मॉनिटर ग्लूकोज लेवल in real time and helping diabetic patient manage their condition by providing instant feedback on the glucose fluctuation. So which of the following is an example of artificial intelligence in healthcare in daily use? So AI chatbot for symptoms checker में यूज हो रहा है आज के टाइम पे. So AI powered chatbot are used in healthcare or apps website to ask patient about their symptoms and suggest possible diagnosis or advise them to see a doctor. They provide immediate guidance for the basic healthcare concern. Which healthcare applications use augmented reality technology in daily life? So visualizing anatomical structures for educational purpose के लिए augmented reality का यूज हो रहा है. So AR augmented reality जो है augmented reality जो in healthcare is used for educational purpose such as visualizing 3D models of organ, bones. Medical student, professionals and patient benefit from AR immersive learning and diagnostic aid. How do smart pills bottle improve the medication adherence? So they remind patient to take their medication. So smart pill bottles are equipped with reminder. उसमें reminder होता है and notification to alert patient when it's time to take medications, helping improve adherence and patient missed dose, especially in older adults. What is the main advantage of wearable ECGs monitor? So they monitor heart rhythm and detect irregularities in real time. So wearable ECGs monitor track करता है heart rate and rhythm continuously, helping to detect arrhythmias and cardiac issues early, allowing for timely intervention and medical attention. So how do smart inhalers help asthma patient to manage their condition? So they manage by recording medication uses and providing reminders. What is the primary function of smart thermometer in daily health care? So they check to measure body temperature and track fever pattern में इसलिए यूज हो रहा है. थर्मोमीटर का तो यही यूज है. So smart thermometers are measure body temperature and sync data to app or cloud storage for tracking fever progress, providing users with insight and making it easier for healthcare providers to monitor symptoms. Which of the following innovation helps in managing the elderly care more effectively at home? बूढ़े लोगों के लिए जो केयर होता है वो इनोवेटिव तरीके से कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो स्मार्ट होम डिवाइसेस लाइक फॉल्ट डिटेक्शन सेंसर हम लोग बना सकते हैं. जैसे है allow caregiver to monitor elderly individual remotely and providing alert in case of fall or accident, improving safety and independence of the senior at home. What is the purpose of telehealth in managing in managing mental health? So they provide therapy and support via video call and messaging. So next question, how can mobile health apps help patient with chronic diseases? So it can by offering lifestyle advice and tracking health data like blood pressure. So which technology is commonly used for surgical robot to assess complex procedure? So by motion sensor and camera. So surgical robot use motion sensor and camera for enhanced precision during the surgery, or surgeon controlled robot arm via console, or allowing for minimally invasive procedure, quicker recovery and fewer complications. What is the role of artificial organ in daily healthcare. क्या रोल है आर्टिफिशियल ऑर्गेन का? सो टू रिप्लेस द फंक्शन ऑफ डैमेज्ड और फॉलिंग ऑर्गेन को रिप्लेस करता है। जो भी ऑर्गेन खराब हो गया उसको रिप्लेस कर दो आर्टिफिशियल ऑर्गेन से, वही रोल है। हाउ डू द 3D प्रिंटर प्रोस्थेटिक्स बेनिफिट डेली लाइफ फॉर एन, ये क्या लिखा है पता नहीं। So by offering a customized, affordable and lightweight prosthetic, so 3D printer allows for the creation of personalized prosthetic that are affordable, lightweight and tailored for an individual's unique need, improving both comfort and function for amputee in daily life. So what is the, which of the following is the benefit of digital health record? So all of the above are possible. Digital benefit record का to eliminate the need of paper documentation, and they allow better communication between healthcare providers. They make patient information more accessible and secure. How can voice activity assistance help patient with disabilities? So इसका आंसर होगा by controlling home devices and helping with everyday tasks. So voice activated assistants like Alexa or Google Assistants help people with disabilities by enabling hand-free control over the home devices such as light, thermostat, and even the medical equipment, making everyday tasks easier and more independent. Which of the following is a common health app features used by patient in daily life? So real-time symptom tracking. So health app allow user to track symptoms such as pain level, fatigue, mood, and helping both the patient and healthcare providers to monitor disease progress and treatment effectiveness in real time. What is the purpose of remote patient monitoring in daily healthcare? So to enable healthcare provider to monitor patient remotely. What is the primary function of digital thermometers everyday healthcare? So as we see earlier, to measure the body temperature accurately and quickly. So which of the following is a key benefit of a smart glucose meter for diabetes? So it offers real-time glucose data tracking. So what is the function of wearable fitness tracker in promoting daily health? So its answer should be to monitor physical activity, sleep pattern and heart rate. How does the voice recognition technology aid patient with disabilities? So its answer should be by allowing user to control device hand-free. How do smart bed provide patient care in hospitals and at home? So its answer should be to monitor and adjust the patient position for comfort and health. Which are the following technology used in smart eye glasses for daily healthcare application? So augmented reality AR का यूज हो रहा है आज के टाइम में. Which are the primary benefit of AI powered diagnostics tool in daily healthcare? So they assist healthcare professional by analyzing medical data such as image and patient histories for faster diagnosis. Which technology help a doctor remotely monitor patient health condition without physical visit? So its answer telemedicine and telemonitoring devices are there to monitor such as blood pressure, cuff, glucose meter or ECG monitor. They enable doctor to track patients health condition remotely, allowing ongoing care and early intervention when needed. How do smart contact lenses provide healthcare for patient with vision problem? So its answer is monitoring the glucose level and providing real-time data. So what role does artificial intelligence plays in the personalized medicine? So they help in tailored treatment based on individual genetic profile and medical history. How do smart blood pressure monitor improved daily health monitor? So how do smart blood pressure monitor improve daily health monitoring? So they provide real time measurement and data to user and healthcare providers. What is the key feature of digital health platform used for the fitness and wellness? So its answer should be they provide personalized workout plans, meal tracking, and health insight. Digital health programs like apps, websites, and other personalized fitness plans, nutrition advice, and track various health metrics such as calories, burns, steps taken, and sleep pattern, helping users achieving their wellness goals. How do AI-powered healthcare apps assist in daily health management? So it's answered by offering personalized health and advice, tracking symptoms, and scheduling appointments. What is the benefit of a smart hearing aid in daily life? So its answers would be to enhance hearing by filtering background noise. How do automated insulin pumps help people with diabetic? So it's a adm, administering insulin automatically based on the blood glucose level. So automated insulin pumps delivered insulin to people with diabetic based on the continuous monitoring of blood glucose level, ensuring that insulin is administered at the right time and right amount, making diabetes management easier. How do smart baby monitors improve children in daily life? So and they by monitoring babies vital signs, movement, and sleep pattern. What role do health wearable plays in monitoring chronic conditions such as heart disease? So they monitor vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation. So what is which technology is commonly used in robotic assisted surgery to improve precision and reduce recovery time? So artificial intelligence is used in robotic assisted surgery to improve precision by guiding robotic arms based on the real time data to enhance the surgeon capabilities, reduce human error, and help minimally invasive surgery, leading to the faster recovery time and less trauma for the patient. How do blockchain technology enhance the security of medical report in daily healthcare by providing secure and transparent method of storing and sharing patient data? ब्लॉकचेन जो है वो इंश्योर करता है मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड medical by ensuring ensure that medical records are stored securely in decentralized way, providing both transparency and protection from the unauthorized access. Tampering thus enhance the privacy and integrity of patient data. What is the benefit of mobile health mHealth app for medical management? So its answer, they remind patient when to take their medication and track uses. How do 3D printing helps in the creation of customized prosthetic of the patient? They make a process universally standard. So by creating prosthetic tailored to a specific size, shape, and patient limb. So it is the answer. What is the role of smart insulin pen in diabetic management? So it's answered. It's they administer insulin automatically based on the real-time glucose data. How do mobile health mobile how do mobile telehealth platform improve access healthcare services? By offering remote in consultation and follow-up care for patient in rural and underserved areas. What is the advantage of augmented reality in medical education? So it allows student to interact with 3D models of organs and anatomical structures. Which are the following applications? Application of smart clothing in healthcare? So they track heart rate, body temperature, and respiratory rate. What is the role of AI powered chatbot in the healthcare industry? हेल्थकेयर इंडस्ट्री में AI powered chatbot का क्या रोल है? To act the first point of contact for patients seeking medical advice. What is the how can virtual reality VR assist in pain management and therapy by providing immense simulation that distract patient from the pain? How do smart pacemakers help patient with heart condition? So it's answered, they monitor and regulate heart rhythms, delivery and electrical impulse when needed. What is the purpose of smart food tracking app in daily healthcare? So they track calories, nutrition, food intake, and for health and fitness goal. What is the significance of smart hydration bottles in daily healthcare? So they track water intake and remind user to stay hydrated. So thank you. और कोई भी वर्ड अगर मिस प्रोनाउंस किया तो सॉरी यार, मुझे उतना नहीं आता.